Yeah, bro. Bro.
Yo ho, it's the one and only JD. We're back. Just left the shooting range. Those clips in there for sure. Had that rifle for, I don't know why I still got these on, for over a year. And just started, or today was the first day. I got to shoot it. Man, the outdoor range, nothing about it is cheap. The ammo for the gun I got is not cheap. Had to get an extra set of earmuffs, $30. The ammo I'm shooting is like $1 a piece, so I already know what I was getting myself into. But today's Sunday. 2 days ago was 4th of July. I want to thank all the people that are in the service, the ones who laid down their lives for our freedom, on serving. Thank you for it all. I didn't do much for 4th of July. Just went out, watched fireworks, and went home. But thank you for it all. And yeah, ain't much to it, to this video. I think, my bad influence. A couple weeks ago, I had went to the Cars and Coffee down in downtown Houston. Yeah, we'll be seeing clips of that for sure. But other than that, ain't much to it. Just minding my own business, staying in my own business. Ain't got too much business going on, but it's enough to keep me busy to mind my own business. Some of y'all need to mind y'all's own business as well. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Yards. That kick is no joke. Kick is nothing to play with.
What? Go with boots. Oh, it is so hard to play like this.
Last one. In case some of y'all don't know, I'm shooting the Remington 7 mag, Remington 700. Last one. That's it, papas. That's it. Not bad overall. First time shooting the rifle. I call it pretty good. Just be sighted in a little more. Check out the boots. The boots are cooked. Over for the boots. But it's all worth it. Like I said, I've had the rifle for probably a year. And just now shooting it. Like I said, there's no coming back at all. It's over. Sorry.
Keep shooting. I want to cycle that gun. So take the magazine out. Take that little gun.
What you think? Those rounds ain't cheap either. You probably blew through what, 440? Probably 40, 60 rounds. That's like $1 a piece almost. Huh? Let me see your shoes. These are out of here.